Yo, check this out. I'm at Threads and these just landed. The vacuum Jordan 4s. See that smoky upper? It's all see-through. And right here in the heel is a built-in vacuum. Hit the button, you get the blue light, fan kicks on, and we're right here in the sole.
So let me explain what you guys just witnessed. These are the vacuum cleaner 4s. You know when you go to your boy's house and they're like, hey, take your shoes off. I don't want my carpet dirty. No, you ain't got to take your shoes off because you're cleaning this carpet as you walk on the carpet. No more taking your shoes off.